So I'm Dr. Usha Ishwaran, and let me introduce myself. I'm an engineer basically. I'm an electronics and instrumentation engineer, and I run a company named Seek. And Seek is an organization which offers skill development, career guidance, and academic consultancy. I'm basically an academician, educationist, entrepreneur, career analyst, professional life coach, motivational speaker, NLP master practitioner, and a YouTuber. I have about 30 years of experience in the field of industry and education, and I've addressed more than 20 lakhs of people on various topics. And I've trained more than 1 lakh students and placed more than 10,000 students and counseled more than a lakh of people. So let me give a brief outline of our Seek. We offer career guidance, academic consultancy for all educational institutions and skill development for all age groups. And we offer services to school like mainly career guidance for the students right from 9th standard. And we also do programs on good touch, bad touch for students, faculty development program for teachers, academic consultancy for institutions, that is for the management as well as the principal, and soft skills for students as well as teachers, and art of parenting for parents, and gender sensitization for all. And coming to colleges, we offer all these courses which I have mentioned earlier for schools. Along with that, we also have specific programs for colleges, right? Career guidance again from wherever they are, and a lot of skills that are required by the industry, that is 21st century skills, are all covered. And for corporates, of course, all the skills that are required for during employment, as well as the life skills, and especially the POSH Act is focused more. And let me give you a brief guidance. See, when I have shown you this screen, I have different age groups mentioned here: 5 years, 15 years, 22 years, and 40 years. That is, we have to visualize our own selves in this. These are all the life stages. When a child is at 5 years, actually, the child will be pampered like anything. Every parent used to love the kid like anything. Whatever the kid does, everybody will appreciate. So the appreciation is something which is a big motivation for the child. And it comes to an attitude of I can attitude. Like anything you tell at that age, they'll be able to do. So this is what is the power of performing anything that comes from within, that is I can attitude at 5 years. And then when it starts going to school, there comes the marks, comparison, parent teachers meeting, report cards. So till then, till 5 years, the child would not have heard any negative from their parents or any of the relatives who comes to meet the child. But once it goes to school, a lot of things comes inside, and slowly that I can attitude comes down, and it forms a can I attitude, because the child will be doing something and the teachers and parents will be expecting something else. So that will demotivate the child, and we continue pursue our education as per others advisors. People will come and tell us, you study this, you take this course, this is very futuristic, this will help you. See, these all the things what we get, the instructions from outside is not based on analyzing our strength, individual our strength. They will just throw on whatever they know and whatever they think that is right for them, and we cannot customize it for our own future or career. So whenever a person scores good marks, they call them as an intelligent person, and that is what they mark it as success. So this is what we call it as a river of education, why we swim just like that along with everybody. So when we come to 22 years after the degree, whatever we just take any job that comes in our campus drive or whichever is available or wherever the friends are going and joining. It may not be related to your course of study. You study a core engineering and you go and join in IT, or just like that, you just change your vision, just like that, what the friends do. So what happens is, in this, we come across a dance of life, because you join in a company and you work for a month and then you feel that it is not suitable for you. You come out and again search for some other job. Either you come out or the company will send you off because you're not suitable for the job. See, all these things comes because you have an unplanned career. So at the age of 40, what happens is the frictional unemployment happens, because you have to stable income is required at that age. You have a family, you need to run the family, you need to pay the bills. But till then, like throughout the education, we never bother about what is our future, what is our strength, where we have to concentrate more on. So based on our ability, our strength, if we could decide our career and study and then take up a job, there is nothing like unemployment or friction there. We will be the happiest forever. Many people think that career is only when you get a job and you work somewhere. But I always insist that career starts right from your learning. Learning to earning is career, because the foundation what we put is this 18 years. The 18 years of foundation is what is going to give the fruit after for your 40 years of work life. So planned career is something you decide your strength, and then explore the occupations whatever is available, and also look at the future demand. If you're going to be in the 10th standard or 12th standard, now you have to think 5-6 years ahead and how the future is going to be. So this is what we do. We have a very unique psychometric tool through which the children are assessed with their abilities, not only for the children, even for mid careers we do. People who are in the 20s and 25, 30, they want to change their career also, they can take up this opportunity. And based on that, we extract all your strengths and abilities, capabilities, and how you will be in your career. And based on that, a career path is designed, which is going to be a perfect path to make everyone happy. So this is one of the major service we provide in Seek. And this is what is the career guidance speaks about. Know yourself, know your personality, know your strength, know your interest, know your potential. Then you own your career. So this is what is about the Seek. And also we do a lot of webinars for different colleges and schools based on the topics they ask for. So you can also go through my YouTube playlist, where you can see the numerous playlist topics are there. So you can reach us for anything, whichever is in need for you. And now that we have given a brief idea about Seek,